Kids' drones can be very entertaining and educational toys that will keep them active and playing outside, which is a huge plus. But there are some downsides to consider too. Drones can be expensive, have a steep learning curve, and come with serious safety guidelines that always need to be followed. Our expert-approved list can help you find the best drone for your kids' interests, budget, and expectations. To select the best drones for kids, we analyzed dozens of options on the market and spoke to 3 experts to find kid-friendly, quality drones that are easy to fly and offer the best features. From basic drones that function as remote-controlled airplanes, teaching kids the basics of flying, to powerful semi-professional options, we researched the best drones for kids of all ages and skill levels. Number 1. Mini 3. For older kids or those with drone experience, this is a high-quality drone that gives you and your wallet great value and exciting features. The DJI Mini 3 has excellent hovering abilities, smooth controls, high wind resistance for winds up to 24 miles per hour, and a top-notch camera designed for scenic aerial photography. It also has a return home button, which is very useful given this drone's wide travel radius and long flight time. The DJI Mini 3 kit includes an app that provides tips, lessons, comprehensive tutorials, and access to an engaging flight school. The DJI app also allows you to select from a number of photo presets and has an easy-to-use editing feature. The drone comes with its own remote, but there is an option to use a smartphone as a control to access additional features. Number 2. Q9 Drone. Affordable and fun, this quadcopter is a great starter drone for younger kids. The remote is very easy to use, and in addition to your basic steering controls, it also features dedicated takeoff, landing, and return home buttons. The 4 propellers, with guards and LED lights, help the HASAKEE Q9 do 360-degree flips and rotations and fly at 3 speeds. We love that the kit includes 2 rechargeable batteries, although each one lasts for about 7 minutes of flight time. The remote control requires 3 additional AAA batteries, not included. But, take note, this drone is best suited for indoor use only, as it is very sensitive to winds. While this may be a deal-breaker for some, setting up an indoor space for young pilots, a playroom, bedroom, etc., can help create a safe area for your kiddo to play and have fun. Number 3. Neo. Overwhelmingly popular since launching in September 2024, the DJI Neo is so easy to use that you don't need a remote control to fly it. You can control it with the push of a button or voice control. It can also be paired with VR goggles and a motion controller for FPV mode. The Neo also uses AI subject tracking. While in your palm, the DJI Neo scans your face and ensures you stay in the frame. It also has 6 shooting modes, including Drone, which entails flying backward, or Helix, which means ascending while spiraling around the subject. This gives beginner videographers the opportunity to have beautifully stylized shots. Shooting in 4K with wind resistance up to 18 miles per hour, the Neo captures smooth footage with 22 gigabytes of internal storage. Pair the Neo with the DJI Fly app to record audio on your smartphone. The app will automatically remove Neo's propeller noise and merge the audio track with the footage, ensuring clear sound even when shooting low-angle vlogs. If your child is into vlogging or wants to capture a class trip or family vacation on video, this drone is a solid choice. My teenage cousin recommended this model after testing it out with a vlog-loving friend. Lightweight, at just under 5 ounces and the size of a palm, the DJI Neo is readily portable. Number 4. Holy Stone Beginner's Quadcopter. One of the most user-friendly picks on our list, the Holy Stone is ideal for younger kids who are learning the basics of drone flying. This quadcopter-style model features a 1-button start to get the drone off the ground, but your kiddo can also use the throw and go function to launch it from the air. It has altitude hold and land functions, as well as commands for 3D flips and circle flying. We love that it comes with 3 batteries, so while each lasts about 7 minutes on a full charge, it's easy to swap them out and continue flying. A low battery alarm on the remote gives you some warning, so playtime isn't abruptly cut short. Flight time is up to 21 minutes. Never be disappointed by a dead battery or waiting for charging. And the low battery power alarm spares any concerns of any loss or damage due to low power. Number 5. DJI Mini Drone for Kids. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is a solid choice with lots of fun features. It can perform cool tricks like 360-degree flips and rolls in any direction, and if you let go of the joystick controllers, its altitude hold function kicks in and the drone hovers in place. It also has a takeoff and landing button and an emergency stop function when it hits objects. For young photography or video aficionados, the D20 is equipped with a high-definition Wi-Fi camera that gives them a first-person view of what the drone sees via the DEERC app on their smartphones. In addition, the camera can recognize hand commands when taking selfies, such as the V signal to start shooting video or a palm in front of the camera to take a photo. The app also enables the user to dictate voice commands or create flight courses that the drone will then follow on its own. The kit includes the drone and controller, 2 rechargeable batteries, 4 extra propellers and guards, and a charging cable.